Bollywood Badshah has turned 51. He's crossed the half-century mark, and he's known for his popular dialogues, delivering box office hits. But is SRK charisma waning off, or his fans continue to be there to support him even as he crosses 50? For all that, let me go across to my colleague Lasya, who is standing at Mannat. Lasya, you have the best seat, as they say, as SRK celebrates his birthday bash. Behind you, we can actually see the line of fans. So SRK charisma not waning off, it seems, even as he crosses the 50 mark.
That's right, Devina. You know, he is India's biggest superstar. He's known as King Khan, and he's also known as the Badshah of Bollywood. He might have delivered one film this year which might not have been a very big hit, fan in particular. But of course, scores of fans have lined up since morning and wanting to get a glimpse of their huge star. Of course, the superstar is not in town, and usually every year he does meet the press, and he also greets his fans. But this year, we've come to know that, he wants to spend time, have a, quiet family dinner, and that's what he plans to do. And so far, of course, we don't think the superstar is going to come out and greet his fans, but that hasn't stopped his fans from coming out in scores since early morning.
Also, much excitement over Shah Rukh Khan's birthday, and a lot of fans over here. Let me start with Japneet. What's your favorite line that you remember for Shah Rukh Khan?
Rahul, naam to suna hoga.
Well, that one you can't deny. That's been the favorite of most of the girls, where Shah Rukh Khan stole their hearts as well. Here, Madhulika is really working hard. Madhu, what's your favorite line for Shah Rukh Khan movie that we're getting at the moment?
I can't recall really any line right now, but yeah, I've watched most of his films. I'm looking forward to see Zindagi.
Completely caught up with work, no time for movies. But Ashok, what's your favorite line?
Rahul, naam to suna hi hoga.
And also the Kiran one that you did for us earlier.
Pretty difficult to do right now.
All right, camera shy, we have people here. But last year, going back to you now, you have Shah Rukh Khan fans. How does the star plan to celebrate his birthday today?
When it comes to the birthday of a superstar, be it Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Aamir Khan or Rajinikanth, all the fan clubs come out and they do stand in front of his house in Mumbai, in Mannat, and they do chant his name. And, and the star obviously obliges his fans by coming out. But this year, it doesn't seem like that's going to happen. But that hasn't stopped fans from coming out in the morning, chanting his name out loudly, actually singing happy birthday for their, superstar. And nothing is deterring them, not the sun, not the traffic, nothing. I mean, these are stars these are fans who've come out to see their big superstar, and they're going to try and be here, actually, celebrate his birthday. The fan clubs are here, scores of fans, people from all over the country and even from abroad actually. They've actually come just to get a glimpse of their star.
Lasya, well, thanks for joining us, and here's wishing King Khan a very great innings ahead for the next 50 years as well.